What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you have already subscribed, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the perfect steak bite with mashed potato. If you're interested and want to see this recipe, please keep on watching.
Cooking made easy.
If you are new here, my name is Claude Maud, owner and founder of Le Bogo Seasoning. Le Bogo Seasoning is an e-commerce website that I created when I was in grad school, where we sell organic green seasoning, organic meat seasoning. Our meat seasoning comes in 3 flavors: regular, mild, and spicy. We have organic barbecue marinade, organic jerk marinade, organic hot pepper sauce, and so much more. If you're interested and want to try one of our seasoning, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. And guys, in this channel, I not only post quick and easy recipe, I also post some behind the scene videos where I show you guys how I package and ship my orders to my customers. If you're interested and want to get a lot of small business tips, because I shared a lot in this channel, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. If you have any question, any suggestion, please make sure to have them in the comment below. Alright guys, now let's jump right in. And before we get started, guys, we are going to season the steak with the organic meat seasoning. Now, to season the meat, we are just going to pour the seasoning over the meat, and we are going to fully mix it together. Then let it sit so it can fully marinate. Then we are going to move over the stove and begin cooking. Before we get started with our recipe, I already went ahead and put my potatoes to boil, and I also added some garlic so that they could all cook together. Now we are going to add some oil on a pan, and we are doing this on medium heat. And this is what our steak bites are looking like after it's been marinating for 20 minutes. Now we are going to start cooking. And when you are cooking the steak bite, make sure you cook it to your preference. Some people like it well done, some people like it medium rare, some people like it medium. It is up to your discretion how you want your steak to come out. And now we are going to begin cooking the steak. I'm just going to do it in small batches so I can have enough space to make sure everything is cooked through evenly. And after 2 minutes, we are going to flip it to the other side so that the other side can cook as well. As I mentioned, we are not going to let this cook for long because steak does not take a long time to cook. So we are going to keep flipping it side so everything can cook through evenly. And here is a closer look at our steak. They are very tender, and now it's time to take them out the oil. After we took our steak out of the oil, I am not going to rinse out the pan. We are going to use the same pan because I want to save all the flavor and all the seasoning that are in there. So now we are simply going to add some butter, add some chopped garlic, and some parsley, and that's how we are going to have a nice garlic butter sauce. And me, guys, I like my garlic to be a little bit brown, but if you don't like that, don't let it overcook. And now we are simply going to stir so everything can be mixed together. And after that, we are going to turn off the stove and make our mashed potato. To make our mashed potato, guys, since I am using red potatoes, I am not going to peel them. When I boiled the potato, I also added some garlic. So yes, we already have garlic in there. I'm just going to add some heavy cream, some butter, a little bit of seasoning salt, and fully mash everything together. If you want it more creamy, just make sure you keep smashing and keep mixing it together, or add more heavy whipping cream and more butter as well. And this is the final result, and this is what our mashed potato looks like. And now that our mashed potato is ready, we are going to begin plating. And this is our final result of our steak bite over creamy mashed potato. I hope you guys like this recipe. When you make this recipe, please let me know what you will add. Please let me know what you will do differently. As I mentioned to you guys earlier, I like when my garlic is more brown, crispy, so I can have it over my steak. But if you don't like it like that, make sure you turn off the stove early so that they don't get too brown crispy. And this is the final recipe, guys. This recipe came out very good, and as you can see, it was very easy to put together. If you are crunching for time and you want to make a quick dinner, this is a great go-to, and you can have this ready in 20 minutes. Super easy, super delicious, and the steak bite came out very tender. And guys, that is it for this recipe. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, I'll appreciate if you subscribe to help support my channel and help me grow. And please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Any comment suggestion that you have, please make sure to have them in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this recipe. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.
Cooking made easy.